Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to earn money from Spotify. If you're a music enthusiast looking to turn your passion into profit, you've come to the right place. I'm Angelina, and in this video, I'll walk you through some fantastic ways you can monetize your music on Spotify and start generating income. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Segment 1: Spotify Artist Program. One of the primary ways artists can make money on Spotify is through the Spotify Artist Program. This program allows musicians and creators to upload their original music to the platform and reach millions of listeners worldwide. To get started, sign up for a Spotify for Artists account, which gives you access to valuable data and analytics about your audience. Once you've uploaded your music, focus on promoting your tracks, engaging with your listeners, and building a loyal fan base. As your streams grow, so does your earnings. Spotify pays artists based on the number of streams their songs receive, and while the payout per stream might seem small, it can add up significantly over time. Segment 2: Playlist Curation. Curating playlists is another excellent way to make money on Spotify. As a music enthusiast or influencer, you can create playlists featuring your favorite tracks or a specific genre. When these playlists gain followers and listeners, you can join the Spotify Playlist Curator program. Screen displays show how to curate a playlist and promote it. Playlist curators can participate in Spotify's playlist curation marketplace, where you can earn money by promoting songs from emerging artists and labels. As your playlist gains popularity, artists and labels may pay you to feature their tracks, generating revenue for you. Segment 3: Collaborate with brands. Collaborating with brands is an exciting opportunity for artists and creators to earn money while expanding their reach. Many brands and companies are interested in collaborating with musicians to use their music in advertisements, commercials, and social media campaigns. Segment 4: Merchandise and concerts. Aside from streaming revenue, artists can boost their income through merchandise sales and concerts. Create unique merchandise, such as t-shirts, posters, or even exclusive vinyl records, and promote them on your Spotify profile or social media channels. Additionally, consider organizing live concerts or virtual events, especially if you have a dedicated fan base. Concerts provide an excellent opportunity to connect with your listeners, offer exclusive experiences, and generate revenue through ticket sales. Conclusion: that wraps up our guide on how to earn money from Spotify. Whether you're an aspiring musician, a playlist curator, or a music influencer, Spotify offers fantastic opportunities to monetize your passion for music. Remember, building a sustainable income on Spotify takes time, dedication, and consistent engagement with your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.